In today's globalized world, international transactions have become common, whether for businesses, individuals, or financial institutions. The SWIFT payment system is the backbone of cross-border transactions, ensuring secure and standardized money transfers worldwide. In this video, we will explore what SWIFT is, how it works, and a step-by-step tutorial for using it. What is the SWIFT payment system? SWIFT stands for Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication. It is a messaging network that enables banks and financial institutions to send and receive secure information about financial transactions. While SWIFT itself does not transfer money, it provides the communication framework that allows banks to execute wire transfers and cross-border payments efficiently. How does SWIFT work? Well, when an individual or business requests an international transfer, their bank generates a SWIFT message. This message contains essential details like the amount, the recipient's bank, and the account information. The SWIFT message is then sent through the secure SWIFT network to the recipient's bank. It follows a unique SWIFT code that identifies financial institutions. Now, if there isn't a direct relationship between the senders and recipients' banks, correspondent banks step in as intermediaries to facilitate the transaction. Finally, once the receiving bank gets the SWIFT message, they process it and credit the funds to the beneficiary's account. And that's pretty much how the whole process works. Alright, let's dive into a step-by-step tutorial on how to make a SWIFT payment. First things first, gather all the required information. Before you initiate a SWIFT transfer, you need to have the following details handy: the recipient's full name and address, the recipient's bank name and address, the bank's SWIFT or BIC code, the recipient's account number or IBAN, and sometimes the purpose of the payment. Next, it's time to initiate the transfer. You can do this by visiting your bank. You have a few options here. You can use the bank's online banking portal, visit a bank branch in person, or use banking apps if they support SWIFT transfers. Step 3. Fill out the SWIFT transfer form. Enter all necessary details, including the sender's account details, recipient's bank and account information, transfer amount and currency, and any specific instructions for intermediaries. Step 4. Pay the SWIFT fees. Banks charge fees for SWIFT transactions, which may include the sender's bank fees, intermediary bank charges if applicable, and recipient bank charges. The cost depends on the SHA, hour, or BEN payment instruction. SHA or shared means fees are split between the sender and receiver. Hour means the sender pays all fees, and BEN or beneficiary means the receiver pays all fees. Step 5. Submit the transfer and get a SWIFT reference. Once the payment is submitted, the bank provides a SWIFT reference number, also known as a UETR. This number allows tracking the payment status. Step 6. Track the SWIFT payment. SWIFT transactions usually take 1 to 5 business days to process. You can track your transfer via your bank's customer service, SWIFT GPI if supported, or online banking tracking tools. Why use SWIFT for international payments? Global coverage. Over 11,000 banks in more than 200 countries use SWIFT, secure and standardized. It follows strict security protocols. Trackable SWIFT GPI enables real-time payment tracking. Multiple currencies supported. It works for all major currencies. Common SWIFT transfer issues and solutions. Delayed transfers. Check with your bank for processing delays or intermediary bank involvement. Wrong SWIFT code. Ensure the recipient's SWIFT or BIC code is correct to avoid rejections. High fees? Compare banks or use alternative services like Wise or PayPal for lower cost transfers. Final thoughts. The SWIFT payment system remains the most widely used method for secure international bank transfers. While it may involve intermediary banks and fees, its reliability and global reach make it the preferred choice for businesses and individuals worldwide. If you're planning to send money internationally, following this SWIFT tutorial will help you navigate the process efficiently.